using IXL correctly. I know I had it in the beginning in the introduction lesson a little bit, but I've had a couple problems, so I just want to make sure everything's clear. When you go to IXL, you have to sign in. It'll let you do questions without signing in, but it won't record what you're doing, so please make sure you sign in. The first time you sign in, it's going to take you to this diagnostic tab. You can see there's a tab for learning, diagnostic, and analytics. You don't need to do the diagnostic. You need to go to learning, and then you need to go to your level. So if you're algebra, your level is algebra 1. If you're advanced math 1, your level is algebra 2. If you're advanced math 2, your level is pre-calculus. And so when I click on that, if I'm on algebra 2, I get to a list of skills. And you will see, let me go to the course page. I don't think I'm on algebra 2. Let's go to algebra 2, advanced math 1. Keep my stuff straight. My labels, advanced math 1. And I come to, let's come to the first IXL assignment. So that's tomorrow on Wednesday, and I see B1, D3, D6, D7, D8, D10, and BB1. I also see it here as the assignment, and I have to fix this IXL video. Made videos that didn't have any sound, so I'm redoing them. Anyway, so I already forgot what skills they were. All right, B1, D3. So I would go to B1, and if I can solve this, I'm going to write in my notebook, if I can solve this relatively easily, right, I didn't solve it, I just guessed. If I get it wrong, it's going to help me, right? And then I got it, and I do the next one. And that was a little bit difficult for me. I didn't get the right one. So I want to keep answering that question until I'm reliably getting them correct. Your SMART score over here is going to tell you what your score is for that. So if it's a little bit tricky for you, let's say maybe you get to 50 to 70. If it's, even more tricky and you're missing questions, then try to get, between 70 and 90. Just the point is for you to make sure that you know these skills. So you would go through each of the skills. Can I do it or can I not? I'm not intending for you to work more than about 45-50 minutes. So if you find that working on those skills takes longer than that amount of time, please let me know, because we kind of have to think, why are these skills still so difficult? But when you're all done, the easiest way to upload your work is to come back to the Algebra 2 page. And I haven't done any of these skills, so I don't have anything listed here, but you will. The skills you work on, each individual have their score listed right here in brackets. All right, and all you have to do is take a screenshot of the skills. So if I wanted to take a screenshot here and I had my skills, I would take the screenshot, and then I can come over here, click on the assignment, and I can upload showing that I worked on those skills. All right, so no diagnostic. You don't need to do that. You need to find your level, work on the skills listed, and share a screenshot when you're done.